zone. Phone in the city. I don't give a fuck, yeah, I fucking love city. Hold up, bitch. I'ma need some love. I'm a city bitch. And your mom, I don't give a fuck, bitch. I come from the town.
Left the home alone, nigga. I'm crazy in the home alone. Now you fuck gotta get away from the beat. You gotta get in there.
Going, keeping it going, keeping it strange. Tell them all like I do two chickens, fairy, Mr. Fairy tooth, but it's not your Johnson, all loose. Boy, you ain't heard, mentally disturbed. Nigga, this killer, hopper it on, and with the chopper auto, let the nigga wet. Old school Chevy, it's all rusted. Braided with the blade in, and I got your brains like gravy on potatoes. But care, I will let the fucking strap blow like glow streamers. You ain't technological, but you're just waving your arms around me. I'm pop locking with work, throwing the nickel bag right under the stash, hopping out of the motherfucking pay for the trenches. Nigga, I'm sleeping on the benches. Nigga, I'm creeping like I got a fucking creeping like I got a heat up, can't let it blow to the last, I'll pick your card out. Fucking sidekicks, fucking terrorists, knocking two fairies straight out. I've been on this fucking grind. No, you ain't telling the criminal why he just holding it down to the spot. What the fuck you want me to brain spot? Mop and I'm janitor sneaking into the mortuary of St. Luke's Hospital, hopping off of dead bodies, jerking off the caskets, click, boom, look, move through maneuvering, put the jump in the scary mask. I know what you do in 1993, devil symbolic, 666 more than it, hex, they got me vexed, and they got me investable state of mind. I crept out, they just had me committed, my family had me committed to the psychiatrics. Don't fuck around with the real player, it's just an everyday addiction, passion, fuck being a real rapper, I got fucking something wrong in my brain, I'm crazy, fucking blow your brains out, 380, you daisies.
Yeah, hold 'em up, fucking game days, bitch. Yeah, I'm fucking stone ripping in my fucking zone. I don't give a fuck, yeah, I fucking bust a flow, wrecking on these fucking hoes. Yeah, I go toe to toe, bitch, it ain't low. Hold 'em up, bitch. I'm fucking stone, in this bitch. I don't fucking mean shit, I'll fucking shoot you. I don't give a fuck, look at this chump. He's trying to look at my fucking rap music, pop bottles, pop mollies, squirt models. I don't give a fuck, throw them billions, throw them hundreds, throw them trillions. Coming down from the motherfucking Alamo. Go to the fucking strip.
Word to your daisies, word to your fairies, don't fuck with me. I'm walking on the street, one man deep. What the fuck you gonna do to me? I'm on the Northwest Fredericksburg Road, walking the crossroads. You can pack a gat, you can bump and swole. What the fuck you gonna do to a player? Ride off, I'm smoking for your pipe, walking, yeah, I'm gone off my Mary Jane. Boy, I stashed it by my balls in my hands. Get away from the cops, I'm jumping over fences, creeping in attics. Y'all niggas is just ducking from the attics. Got a rhyming passion. Click, boom, boom, boom.
Shoot you in the fucking tube. Coming down from the motherfucking tone. Hold 'em up, bitch, I'ma bust a flow. Bust a flow on your fucking hoe. I don't give a fuck, you little hoe. Coming down from the motherfucking street, bitch. I be slanging this fucking green man from the fucking Alazana corridors, straight up the motherfucking north, from Fredericksburg to Babcock. I don't give a fuck, that's my block. Yeah, hold 'em up, let me talk to my nigga Stoner. He's a bitch, but ain't no loner. Hold 'em up. Hold 'em up, hold 'em up.
From Hildebrand to Van Jackson, we come and throw and stack them grand nigga. We good, we singing it, and we always spending it. We at the strip club at Club West and got your bitches on my chest and tell that bitch get away. Yeah, give me space. I'ma represent that tone. That is my place. That's where I'm coming from. I will leave you throwed. I'm from the San Antonio, but we steady busting flows. Always getting it, cash and checks and we spending it. Nigga represent that 2 to 10, don't give a fuck. Yeah, I got some.